Solve the system of equations. Enter your answer as an ordered pair, coordinate notation. So what we want to do is we want to use the elimination method or linear combination method here. And looking at these coefficients, we're going to have to change both of them. So the lowest common multiple, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 5 is 10. So in this case, we could eliminate either the x or the y variable first. It really doesn't matter which one. They'd both be about the same difficulty. I'm going to eliminate the x. Now, 3 times 2 is 6. The least common multiple is 6. So to create that 6 that we need for the x, I'm going to multiply the first equation by -2 and the second equation by +3. And -2 times 3x will be -6. 3 times 2x will be +6x. And then we add, the x's will be eliminated. So here's a new equation 1. -2 times 3x is -6x. -2 times -2y is -4y. And -2 times +5 is -10, so equals -10. Second equation, 3 times 2x is +6x. 3 times +5y is +15y. And then 3 times 18, that's 54, so equals 54. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. -10 plus 54 is 44. And -6x plus 6x is 0. -4y plus 15y, that's 11y. So 11y equals 44. I'm going to divide both sides by 11. So y equals 4. Now I'm going to back substitute. I'm just going to use the first equation. You could use either one you wanted, really. So 3x plus 2y equals 5. That's the first equation. And I'm going to substitute in for 4 for y. So it's 3x plus 2 times 4 equals 5. So 3x plus 8 equals 5. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. So 3x equals -3. And divide by 3. X equals -1. So the answer should be -1, 4. And if you go ahead and check mentally, it does work out. So your answer is -1, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to graph to verify the answers. For the x-intercept on the first equation, we have 3x equals 5. Divide by 3. And that means x is 5/3. For the y, we're going to have 2y equals 5, divide by 2. We're going to get y equals 5/2. So we have two fractions for intercept here, which is fine. 5/3 is the same thing as 1 2/3, so I'm going to estimate about 1.6 when I plot the x-intercept. Right there. And y equals 5/2, that's y equals 2.5, so I'm just going to use 2.5 for a y-intercept. I'm going to draw very carefully here. Okay. Now for the second equation, we'll switch colors. 2x equals 18. Divide by 2. So x equals 9. Put that 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's right there. For the y-intercept, we have 5y equals 18. Divide by 5. Y equals 18/5. And that's the same thing as 3 and 3/5. So I'm going to estimate 3.6 for the y-intercept. It's about right there. Okay, there's the point of intersection. It looks like -1 and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same answer we found using algebra, so I'm very confident that that is the correct answer, -1, 4.